Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you another way of cooking garden egg leaf. So guys can see all the ingredients here. Can see the garden egg leaf, very fresh. So today I want to show you. I will use egusi. I will cook it with egusi. That is another way of cooking it, be that. So guys can see all the ingredients, can see the egusi that I will use. See all the rishi, pomo, dry fish, ice fish, red meat, stockfish, and this onion, pepper, crayfish, mangi season, and salt, and this red oil. So guys, let's go back to fire. Now on the light. Allow the pot to hot before putting the oil. So I'll put the oil. It's fried oil. Allow oil to fry a little bit before putting other things. I'll now put the onion. Put onion before the pepper. After putting the pepper, you pour the orish inside. Pour the crayfish. Putting it now, you add water. Now put your mangi season. Now add salt for it. After putting all those things, you cover it and leave it for fire to done. Then after the sauce is on the fire, I'll now go back to the leaf to prepare the leaf. Cover it now to done, like 15 minutes. So I will go back to leaf now to pick it and cut it and make sure wash it very well because of the sand. So I'll pick the leaf. You pick it from the stick. After you pick the leaf from the stick, you now cut it and wash it very well before you put it for the soup. Even the egusi go. After putting the egusi, if I'll put the leaf, I'll show you when I'll do it. So I'm picking the leaf now. After picking the leaf from the stick, can see the stick. Picking the leaf from the stick, then you wash it very well and cut it. So guys, let's check the stock. Wow, it's done now. To me now to mix the egusi with water. No, some fry their own, but I like mixing it with water. So after mixing it, I'll put it inside and leave it like 10 minutes before putting the leaf. You cover it and leave it for 10 minutes before putting the leaf. So guys, let's check the soup. Yes, it's done now. Let me put the leaf. So when you put the leaf, you off the light, because don't allow the leaf to overdone in the fire. I love garden egg leaf I love it because garden egg leaf is very good in the body. If you have waist pain and if your sugar level is high and you are eating garden egg leaf every day, every time, it will help you. So I love garden egg leaf very well. That's why I always cooking it like this. And I will still show you another way of cooking it next time again, because you have many way of cooking it. So if you do it like this, can do your swallow, can do your semo or eba, gari, amala, anyone can do it. And so guys can see how you turn it like this. You off light. Don't allow the leaf to overdone. So I'll dish it. I'll dish it now for you to see. Just dish the soup. So we dish it like this. You use anything, any swallow you like to eat it. You can see very yummy, very delicious. I love garden egg leaf because it's very nice in the body. And if you are eating garden egg leaf every day, every time, you will not have all this waist pain. And if your sugar level is high, to help you reduce it. So that is all for garden egg leaf. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.